Where are we now? For command your mahama. Sa evidence now so one. Fama I ora team no. I won't pay my why. Odwan ora anati say say ko munya dwuma nye. Fa command why? No mo kwache wom. Kurasini.
And people they should be careful with me.
Yeah.
So maybe you're better.
Yeah.
Only a mess beans all over the place.
Yeah.
The culture say, me president Jamini. Maybe free me site never know.
Now how so the culture will say? Dr. Mahmoud Baumezo.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana in Sem TVGH so wofreme adwoa searching. Honorable Kennedy Compare kwa Japan eka so begu NPP. Ogusunso epese ogu party no. Now Honorable Kennedy Compare kwa Japan you see ensem ekosu nyina no. You are just playing smart. You want to tell Ghanaians say the way a saint, we are faithful, what the Ghana ma obedi so ye. But Honorable Kennedy Compare kwa Japan epese a catcher will say NPP are buying a few 8 years and you were part of them. You were part of the government. Indeed, so Ghana the work was to send your work and honorable Brabant in a bebudia. NPP was no more of a contract among when did 10 pesos in par. You see, he says George Ramani Muhammad and this for they made a whole lot of promises. And a young trust promises no more making you know. And so for failure, 2 years, 24-hour economy, so now 24-hour economy in Sebebaswa. Your friends, the ministry back we betting the 24-hour economy now, papa, a health ministry. And he says, in another down the former president, SCC Agenda 111. In fact, the hospitals be brand new complete. He says, John Dramani Mahama said, the work on over 24-hour economy, now you need Jumaya. The best solution is that complete hospitals, not the beds. Oko weja hanu ya hospital, complete one bed, be there or in fact. ACC su 247 because in Yamani be a say I didn't really call her best say. Na ya koka honorable can obeka say MP before mu fear be 8 years na honorable say ya bitterness na ya e na wo kana kware pant honorable patch say more and 8 years amembu na omu bebu yi no wo de owura tamels ne de John Dramani Mahama the first term na the second term 2 years he kan ho a wo kan nyame di mu pa say betimi I compete with another 8 years no. It can never. Into party over the intina wuguno. Now honorable Kennedy Compare kwa Japan koye interview say after hospital no MPP for almost shut up no omu fia be me no omu ye ya kenyan so omu kasa no MPP for so be man reply na reply na chiri the honorable abeto bomb na is a bomb na too much cry or just obegu party no July 2027 and I do the MPP for no best starting and MPP for so here obuada now honorable chairs agenda 111 and another CC no odima companies and omodigi sketches and some honorable kekano and MPP for man reply say another C company no OCC hospitals no agenda 111 so found them my companies riska say he was own his excellency John Dramani Mahama for for document no watch it one or ton is another can who cram on na honorable diable. Yet in some people before they had to be.
Yeah, to free the talk. No, about what to want. Muntieno.
Asana and this for mistake and people mistake. And Ghana and you did not to a parcel and you they only pa omo yaria minka obi se see you didn't call China
Abwa
refer obi or India
Abwa
and to see a year you better call India and China yabian to and I will say more dainty put me cut in okay
some way now to get sympathy. I am before. I was saying, and you feel say, hey, I say you okay there, but a bropa on no yare, you know. One cogan or some coherent who said and trim. When you are here, I will not be no. One go in Ghana doctors in a tray. One family brand America, or call America on. One was said the other say Ghana doctor Nina say, but once they know now can cause them. Or so, or the one who go the way. Or the one say ya na oh papa no drink Ghana who I drink here obwa owia obeken kwase na to aso muntie no
me MPP for them ye better
aha eba
me nka bi dia nchire wo na omu feel say ni omu ye aye no e wo campaign no me meye din they can shut me down Ghana for person omu tie ni ya omu say omu say agenda 111 omu to be complete back kura na omu ton contract no
How ni Jimmy Ibacho obia wa ukra force si a me am alien America wa ukra force si a me come area check it achiase sisi abotro achiase agenda 11 project no check sisi a ebe ya ma waye active waye 24/7 a o bia no me nka bibiri nka ho o si obusa se one single one po etimi bia no a wo Ghana ho bi Ghana ni bia wo tie me ne sisi ai enim se de wo kan agimisem onim nanado kumase nko amu bia ensia ano Asante region 6 aya adwuma and we ya obekan na je say emi se enkrofo na edi na chi se the base fo no a omu na agimi ni sa na yen enim nyansa ne so edi MBP achi no ya agimi ana NDC fo na wo no wo ka sem we NDC support bi enim se wabodam obi enim se uti ni ho because obi enim se agenda one project no na do commission bi e bi ye active metimi ama me yi video we a me be yi videos a agenda one project a omu wie ya eye adwuma videos na ma yi wa ha obi ya wa de make kan ba won so de videos ne san be ka se mo de mun ti obi enti obi na fi min kasa bi na fi du e ma samba mun ti kasa ko burugu
men ka bi dia nchire wo
ti
na omu feel say ni omu ye aye no e wo campaign no me meye din they can shut me down Ghana for person omu tie ni ya omu say agenda 111 omu to be complete back kura na
we
omu ton contract no e ma other people e 10%
share
Ghana
won gwase ogum omu ton contract no obwa e 10% obwa anomu bi edi agenda wine no omu ton contract no e 10% so what one mo ton 10% and one so person where we na fakoma yo mahama sa evidence na so won fama ai ora team no omo paduma ye why odwan ora anete wo se ko omo nya duma nye fakoma on why no mo kwache wo Kurasini
and people they should be careful with me.
Yeah.
So maybe you're better.
Yeah.
Only a mess beans all over the place.
Yeah.
The man catcher say, "Me manya president Amini. Me free me site never know."
Now how so the catcher will say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so any president e woni. Why na catcher o? Wo free site na ba ono so free get oba. Se wo free site e ba, Dr. Bawumia so free get o e ba. Why? Why na you say na wo say Bawumia so any president obe wo. Say ya nhwe ya wo be dey. And I'm missing anything association no. Ya dey. Show your powers. This time around, me say NDC ye no mbe kwonwa ko because say no kan bibi hu bi mu. Wo ye be treat you like animal. Ye introduce any people. We will come and you me say me man 1 week 7 days. So one first hard document na wo say ye Ghana for day on ma. One fa ma. Obeto ba bi nka. Obeto to say wa no was say hia was if him fa na free one kasa auto. Kurasini se me free me site na eba. They wo kan na che so ye bitter. To have never with Jimmy
I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not MPP. Agenda.
What? Sawate. Now he has confirmed he's not thinking about MPP anymore. He think about youth. Onye MPP BM. And now I will treat you as enemy. Muntie hon bium. Muntie hon bium. Muntie.
other people, actually 10%. Ghana, maybe say, and then NPP for they should be careful with me.
Yeah.
So maybe you're better. Only a mess beans all over the place. Now, one country say, me my president, maybe free me sight, never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not entity. Agenda 111, Mumisa Wom, Saba Kukrom Ria. And so, obey contract now. Now I got home.
NDC phone question asem ya wo mu yi omkeken e bia na oken omunhwe ya de ba ko ni e omman MBB man hospital ba ko afa ye fi asesi yi hospital na ba no no mu hajo jimi ya wo jimi nya NDC fo jimi bia na wo jimi nya NDC fo jimi bia na wo jimi to aso e
Chile 10%. Anybody to me, we are moving about the criticize NDC for me.
what omu wi a na omu be they say no mo na fight ama NDC mu wi a na mo be criticize NDC for, and you want me to praise this man? I say calm down for this useless man. What here no kind yen wi a ni e ba be blame NDC for, and I be criticizing NDC for, and we don't have any right to criticize NDC, the party NDC. Ati, why the what NDC mu aside Jimmy we obey Jimmy? People say, why the free NDC mu? NDC call opposition. Say nya Jimmy for me na say and criticize NDC, and I say omu criticize NDC. Be. Kwaku ayi do hompa on the also matamas na oka tamas nko asem kwa on pamo ni party no atamas o one criticize party no one party ni no what in kwase oka kire say what ti mu MPP leadership no minim say audio video ene call na wo ye mu na mate bi mu trase na mo say engine bamba why yin hu clear say wo ye NDC ni now fighting against MPP, and obey we better so beka or see next year and obesha agrona say nti yan no yan twema bro nyema ansa ne ekmakoko ye de ye sha say ba this time no a e de atwa wo next year ho, and ye be expose big time wo ye be prove Ghana for na and e be to me be no na mo a ohu be ye obi ahi say de jako ho yankrofo hi no. Get ready, we are gather all the evidence contract ahoro any car would ye we ya went to me no we are lawalai so we say now do about NDC nti John Dramani Mahama afival and already team freo and obi en freo to sigusro. We are ready, and MPP power we will deal with you. I'm telling you, I promise you, we don't need you. MPP power all that contract we will deal with you. You bet treat you say NDC ni. Whoa, what do you get ready? So we say yeah there wa. Me see you bet there all the evidence number. Cause now ye nim baby ye nim ulena. No man in ye the okay.
And we be so dey contract Abraham he say onye na on tia 11% $55 million or per 11%.
Obwa.
And you on tia
obwa. Atronko a we ye okay na ntro. Ye wa ha na o se atachia wa to na ma atachia mokai e wo UTV enye wo radio so say ya Jimmy say ya nam say ya Jimmy atachia lawyer atachia onu na twitwaji no ne classmate o so to na ma no ama atachia de rente ni office ya atachia office o ye mo advance ya no ono man $50,000 e man dey say yes ha office no ade chi na tacha ko UTV no se me ono si wa to dan e dia man $500,000 na ono betima hwe me ono se me office ono ma mesika e hwa na de kasa mafo kwatin kofi kwatin face me say oh it was a mistake